Learn how affiliate marketing works and increase your income. Did you know that affiliate marketing is one of the most overlooked and underused online marketing methods? Done properly, it can pull in serious amounts of revenue. We have presented some great information in this video that will help you benefit from this marketing strategy. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. If your site is designed for sports, your viewers are there for sports. Unless the link is sports related, placing a link on an affiliate site cannot help you. Having links that are relevant to your target audience is always more effective. You should never pay to join an affiliate network. A network is an affiliate marketing group that can link you to many different partners who want to advertise on your website. A good network can enhance the effectiveness of your affiliate program and diversify the products and services you can offer. A network that demands upfront membership fees, though, is never a good network. In affiliate marketing, multiple referrals benefit both website owners and affiliate partners. Make sure your affiliates give you proper credit for them. A multiple referral is when a customer returns to buy from your affiliate more than once. As the initial referrer who delivered the customer to your affiliate, you are entitled to commissions on all of his or her sales. Make sure your affiliates track and credit multiple referrals correctly. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to have access to real-time statistics so you can track your efforts quickly. You do not want to be running ads that do not cause the customer to click through, and with real-time tracking you can make changes as soon as you notice. A great tip for participating in affiliate marketing is to write reviews. If customers do not see reviews about products, they will not know your thoughts about these products. As a result, they will not be as likely to purchase the products. Write reviews on your site, as well as in videos and newsletters. A great affiliate marketing tip is to know when and how you'll be compensated by the company you're working with. Some companies will pay you every 3 months, while others might pay you every single month. Some companies might only pay you through PayPal, so it's very important to find out as much information about payment as you can. To wrap it up, not only did you learn the fact that affiliate marketing is one of the hidden treasures of internet marketing methods, but you also hopefully learned some useful pointers, or at least reinforced knowledge that you already had. Use the information in this video on your way to success. Work clever, not just hard. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.